po' così. In campo amoroso un po' come tutte abbiamo dovuto conoscere diversi cretini prima di trovare l'amore. Io quel giorno c'ero, Treviso Centro, stagione invernale, Filippo in giro con la sigaretta accesa. Prima impressione, Silvia, questo ragazzo non fa per te. Scusa per la poca fiducia, poi ho cambiato idea subito.
Raise your hand, look into your that fear that's inside you. Well, lift it every time. I can see everything you want to now. Your prayers will be answered. Let God whisper how to tell me you need me. I say that you're bleeding. You don't need to show me again. If you decide to, I'll ride in this life with you. I won't let go till the end. So tonight, but don't you let go of my hand. You can cry every last tear. I won't leave till I understand. Promise you just hold my hand. Hold my hand, hold my hand, hold my hand. I'll be right here. Hold my hand, hold my hand, hold my hand, hold my hand. I'll be right here. Hold my hand. I know you're scared and your pain isn't perfect, but don't you give up on yourself. I heard a story, a girl she once told me that I would be happy again. Hold my I heard from the heavens